Yo, I'm back with another video, man. I ain't posted a video in a long time. I know. But I'm back with another video. I'm gonna show y'all how I do my mid fade wavelength. Okay, so first I'm gonna start the guideline about midway. I'm gonna knock off his whole C cup and start at the very bottom of his vertical bars. And I kinda drop it. I drop it a little bit, not as low as a drop fade, but I drop it a little, just to give it that nice fade to the head. So right here, I'm cutting them down with the 1 guard. I had already cut them down with the 1.5, but I didn't like that length, so I'm cutting them down with the 1 guard now. Just making sure I'm combing and cutting, cause his hair really don't cut down in one swipe, because it's real curly, wavy. So you gotta keep combing and keep on repeatedly going over it. Now you want to take the 1.5 guard, my bad, 1.5 guard closed, and I went up about a good inch and a half. Really just trying to take down all the bulk. I like the down fade, so I'm taking down all the bulk. I'm gonna end up opening it up, I think, and I'm gonna just really get up there, bring it a little higher, just to smoothen everything out. Now I'm about to grab my 1 guard, and I go 1 guard open, then I go 1 guard halfway closed, and then I go 1 guard fully closed. So y'all can watch me do that.
I like that quietness. Yeah, man, I like that. Yeah. You know, Sam from the new guy. What's your buddy's name? Young nigga? No, the old cat. Oh yeah. Well, he'll pull in the half, man. You know, you know what I mean? I don't know. I don't want to speak to that's my man's name. But His cuts? Somebody's cuts? No, you know what he be doing. Yeah.
Right here, I'm gonna take my one guard and I'm gonna hit at that bottom line. Just down fading, it's all a process. Now I'm gonna take my Fade Masters, open it fully up, and I'm gonna knock at that bottom line. I'm gonna hit that bottom line and make sure I flick out in the cone. And then I'm gonna go halfway. And then sometimes I go one notch before fully closed. And then I go fully closed. You want to make sure you use your corners to really get in certain spots. That'll really help your fade come out a lot more blurrier. Now I'm going to take my one guard to knock out this bulk and just smoothing everything out. I'm going to take my one guard fully open and I'm going to close it up.
You should let me set your. You like how yours hit? Man, we should invest in the doggone in that wheel, bro. Everybody coming with $20, $25 a piece, or whatever. And probably not even that. And get that doggone blade sharper. Once we get it, it stays. That's a long-lasting joint right there. We don't have to worry about keep buying blades and new liners all the time. Oh, that wheel. That wheel gonna get you straight. One hit a quitter. You don't even have to.
Right here, I'm going to use Got To Be glue to hold the hair down. That's the best spritz to me. It don't clog up as much as pump it up. And I'm going to just make sure you blow dry it. You want to make sure it's fully dry. If it's a little wet, it won't line up the same. Now I'm going to start off in the middle, and I'm going to go towards the right. And then I'm going to just straighten it out.
Hey, that's boy. That's not right, but it's fair. Yeah. That's true, because I got two boys and girls too, and it's like, man. But my daughter's starting like
Right here, I'm just freehanding the hair. Well, I'm about to freehand the hair just to get all the loose hairs legs, whatever y'all call it.
I was really trying to figure it out. We team huddled the summer of the summer after seventh grade graduation. Like, listen, got a squad. Like, look, we finna go into eighth grade. Understand me? We finna go ahead and break this chain right now. All right, team huddle, bang. Eighth grade, yeah.
So after you enhance, you want to go back over the lineup. Make sure you get everything real crispy. Go back over it a few times. Stand everything up. And then after you do this, you want to spritz it again just to hold it in. Right here, I'm detailing the fade. You always want to make sure you go back into the fade and use your corners and just detail little stuff you didn't get in the beginning, just to make sure that really, make sure the fade really pop, you know.
Damn, that's crazy. Why not just say that? I just thought about that. Bad idea, man. Scratch that. Scratch that. Don't mind that. Don't mind. We'll do it maybe next year or something, you know? Yeah, next year, man. You know? Yeah, man. Yeah, I'm gonna be sitting over there eating. Yeah. I'm gonna be sitting over there eating. Guess I got a link in your bio, bro. You know? You know what I'm saying? But I just gotta do what I gotta do, bro. I need my damn haircut right, man. If I'm not gonna cut it, you know what I'm saying? I know, no offense to him, man, because he be hitting me up, though. He'll hit it too. You know what I'm saying? But lately it's just been,
Right here, I'm going back over the lineup. You know, I'm a big detail freak, you dig? I really go over the lineup a few times. I really detail the fade. It's all about consistency. That's what's gonna give you your best outcome. It's consistency. Now I'm just taking my corners of my Slimline Pros and just going in there detailing with my corners, notching at the fade, you know, cleaning it up. So this is the final product. You know, I hope y'all like it. If y'all like it, like, comment, and subscribe for more content, and leave a comment.